I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photoleap. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open Photoleap right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you've done so, make sure you're on edit. Just go ahead and tap on photo editor and now choose the photo that you want to remove the background of. So once you're here, so now in this option, you can see this option of background. Just go ahead and tap there. And now you can choose to either enhance the background or completely darken it. So this will help you change your background a bit. If you want to remove the background altogether, then there's a different option. So you just need to go back and tap on this option of AI backgrounds. Once you tap here, tap on start, select the photo that you want to remove the background of, and now you can either choose to remove the background to a street or a graffiti, or you can choose custom. So if you want a white background, just go ahead and tap there. So it works better if you have upgraded to the Pro. So this is a paid tool, so make sure that you have upgraded to Pro. And in this way, you would successfully be able to change or remove the background in Photoleap. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give us a like and drop us a comment down below. And we'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.